What's the meaning of carrier bag? Carrier bag. Carrier bag.
Carrier bag. Carrier bag. A carrier bag is a type of disposable or reusable bag that is used to carry goods from a store to a destination. They are typically made of lightweight materials such as plastic, paper or cloth and may have handles for easy carrying. Carrier bags come in a variety of sizes and shapes to accommodate different items. They are widely used for shopping and transportation of goods and are available at supermarkets, grocery stores, and retail shops. The use of carrier bags has been the subject of environmental concerns due to their impact on waste and pollution.